Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a blank USB 8 GB or larger and a Windows 11 ISO. Plug the USB in, then open Rufus or the Media Creation tool. These tools write boot data to the drive. Once done, select the ISO and target USB. Make sure partition scheme matches your PC. GPT for UEFI, MBR for older BIOS. You're doing this to create a clean, bootable installer. Follow prompts, but don't start flashing until settings match your hardware. Now you execute the core creation step. In Rufus, pick the Windows 11 ISO, confirm GPT for UEFI if your machine uses modern firmware, then set file system to NTFS when the install. WIM is larger than 4 GB, otherwise choose FAT32. Click Start, accept any prompts about overriding the USB, and let the tool copy files and write the bootloader. This writes the boot sector and copies installation files, so be patient and do not remove the USB until the tool confirms completion. Finish by rebooting into the target PC and entering BIOS or UEFI. Set USB as the first boot device, save, and restart. The Windows installer should load. Follow on-screen setup to install or repair. If the USB isn't detected, try another USB port, toggle legacy USB support, or recreate the media with different settings, MBR versus GPT, or try FAT32 versus NTFS. Once installation completes, remove the USB and restore your internal drive to first boot to boot Windows 11 normally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.